Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Albania and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. While Albania is a democratic country, many applicants flee due to threats from blood feuds, domestic violence, corruption, and lack of state protection. Traditional blood feuds, especially in northern regions, continue to place men and boys at risk of violence, confinement, and even death, with little effective intervention from the authorities. Corruption within the police and judiciary remains a widespread problem. Victims of crime, particularly those from rural areas or poor backgrounds, often face obstacles in obtaining justice and protection. Women and girls are vulnerable to domestic abuse, trafficking, and forced marriage. Support services for survivors are limited, and many victims are pressured to remain silent or return to unsafe environments. LGBT individuals face societal stigma, threats, and discrimination. Although homosexuality is legal and some protections exist, many LGBT people are forced to hide their identity, and hate crimes often go unreported and unpunished. Returnees may be exposed to renewed harm, especially if they return to areas where past threats remain unresolved or where criminal groups operate with impunity. Those perceived as westernized or as having claimed asylum abroad may face social exclusion or retaliation. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.